Clear communication, using commas to avoid misunderstanding. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation, more specifically, commas. We've all seen and used commas before, but today, we're going to see how they can be a superhero, saving our sentences from the villain of ambiguity. This video focuses on preventing misreading by using commas effectively. Let's get started. Commas might be small, but their impact is mighty. A misplaced comma can completely change the meaning of a sentence and lead to misreading. Consider this sentence: "Let's eat Grandma." That's a bit horrifying, right? Now let's add a comma. "Let's eat Grandma." This small change transforms the sentence from a cannibalistic horror scene to a loving family dinner invitation. In order to prevent misreading, here are some key rules to remember. Rule 1. Use commas to separate elements in a series. This will help distinguish each item. For example, "I love my parents, my cat and Mozart" becomes much clearer when written as "I love my parents, my cat, and Mozart." Rule 2. Use commas to set off non-essential information. This could be a clause, phrase, or word that could be removed from the sentence without changing its basic meaning. Example: "The boy who was wearing a red cap won the race." Here, "who was wearing a red cap" is non-essential information. So, we write it as "the boy who was wearing a red cap won the race." Remember, practice makes perfect. After understanding these rules, spend time practicing them. Write sentences of your own, and analyze them. Would adding a comma clarify something? Would it prevent misreading? Here's a fun exercise. Try writing a sentence that has one meaning without a comma, but a completely different meaning with a comma. That wraps up our guide to using commas to prevent misreading. Remember, the comma is a tiny mark that carries a lot of power. It can change the meaning of your sentences and protect them from ambiguity. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using commas to ensure your sentences are always crystal clear. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you continue your journey in mastering the English language. Happy learning!